Welcome to another solution from Loclor. Loclor Tile and Vinyl Cleaner is a product that I truly believe every pool and spa owner should have in their armoury. I doubt if there's any of you with a pool or spa that can honestly say that you never get a scum line around it. Loclor Tile and Vinyl Cleaner is the product to help you. It comes in a 750ml spray pack. All you do is spray it on and watch those marks disappear after a swift rub. Going into the water won't cloud the water, and it's ideal for any sort of pool finish. You can also use it if you choose to at home in your shower, and I think you'll be excited at the results you get in relation to what you've been using previously. If you want to keep your pool or spa in pristine condition and more pleasing to the eye, I'd recommend this product to you. You'll be amazed at the results you achieve. I'm Jeff, and that was another Loclor Pool Solution.